1 in section 1.1 part 2. This is for test 3. You're going to add 4 to both sides. Negative 7x equals x plus 5. You're going to subtract x from both sides. Negative 8x equals 5. Divide by negative 8. X equals negative 5/8. This is your solution. Number 2, we're going to distribute on the right-hand side. Then you're going to subtract to solve for x. You're going to subtract 10 from both sides, or 10x, excuse me. When your left doesn't equal the right, this is no solution. Okay, that's the answer. That left has to equal the right. They are not equal. This is no solution. Number 3, you're going to distribute. Negative 7x minus 2 plus 6x plus 6 equals negative 5x minus 3. You're going to gather like terms on the left-hand side. Negative, excuse me, negative x. I don't know what just happened. Negative x plus 4 equals negative 5x minus 3. Subtract 4 from both sides. Negative x equals negative 5x minus 7 plus 5x plus 5x. 4x equals negative 7. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals negative 7/4. This is your solution. Number 4, you're going to work in a hierarchy. It goes parentheses, and then the little brackets, and then the braces. So you're going to do inside out. We're working inside the brackets. So negative 7, negative 2x minus 5 plus 3x plus 3 equals 3x minus 6. We're going to collect like terms inside what we see. So it's going to look a little bit like number 3, where you're collecting like terms. The x's are going to go together, and then our constants are going to go together. So we're bringing this negative 7 back down. Negative 7 bracket x plus, minus 2 bracket equals 3x minus 6. And then you're going to distribute into the parentheses. Negative 7x plus 14 equals 3x minus 6. Once you distribute, you can get rid of these braces, the brackets. And then you're going to solve for x minus 14. So then I get negative 7x equals 3x minus 20. So then we're going to have negative 10x equals negative 20. Divide both sides by negative 10. X equals 2. What's your answer? Distributing the x, so I have 6x plus 30. You're distributing the negative into the parentheses, so equals 7 bracket x minus 3 plus x bracket 6x plus 30 equals 7 times 2x minus 3, and then 6x plus 30 equals 14x minus 21. You're going to subtract 30 from both sides. 6x equals 14x minus 51. Subtract 14x from both sides. Negative 8x equals negative 51. Divide by negative 8. By negative 8, x equals 51 over 8. That is your solution. So it's going to have 6x plus 18 minus 6x minus 18 equals 0. So this is 0 equals 0. So this is also going to be known as all real numbers. Basically, This is like a dollar sign, but with an R. This is your answer. Any number that we've picked to substitute into x will give you the value of 0 equals 0. Number 7, you're going to distribute the 8. It's going to be 5x plus 8x plus 8 plus 3 equals 11 minus 4x. You have 13x plus 11 equals 11 minus 4x minus 11 minus 11. Note what I'm doing here. I'm going to write a 0. 0 plus or minus 4x. We're going to add 4x to both sides. We're going to have 17x equals 0. Divide by 17. X equals 0. That's your solution. Number 8, we're going to subtract 7x over 9 from both sides. So we're going to be left with negative 12 equals 2/9 x. We're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. 9/2, so x equals negative, negative 54. And that's your solution. The common denominator, you're just going to multiply all the denominators, so it's 5 times 4, and that's going to be 20. So it's going to be 20 over x plus 2 divided by 5 equals 20 over x minus 7 divided by 4. So you have 4x plus 2 equals 5x minus 7. 4x plus 8 equals 5x minus 7, or minus 35. Solve for x. We're going to subtract 8 from both sides. So you have 4x equals 5x minus 43 minus 5x minus 5x. So then it's going to be negative 1x equals negative 43. Divide by negative 1. X equals 43. So your common denominator is going to be 5 times 3 equals 15. So I have 15 times 2/5. X minus 15 times 1/3 x equals 15 times 2. So then it's going to be 3 times 2 times x minus 5 times 1 times x equals 30. 6x minus 5x equals 30. X equals 30. Number 11, common denominator is going to be 2 times 4 times 8. So it's going to be 64. 64 times 1/2 plus 64 times x over 4 equals 64 times 11 over 8. So then from here, I'm going to get 32 plus 16x equals 88 minus 32 minus 32. 16x equals 56. Divide both sides by 16. So for number 11, the answer reduces to x equals 7/2. Going to be 5 times 3, which is 15. So it's 15 times 2x over 5 equals 15 times 4 plus 15 times x over 3. So you're going to get 6x equals 60 plus 5x minus 5x minus 5x. So then it's going to be x equals 60 for number 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 18 times 1 over 3 times r plus 6 equals 18 times 1 over 6 times r plus 8. So then you get 6 times r plus 6 equals 3 times r plus 8. 6r plus 36 equals 3r plus 24. Subtract 36 from both sides. And then you're going to be left with 12. So negative 12. 6r equals 3r minus 12. Subtract 3r from both sides. You're going to be left with 3r equals negative 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3, r equals 4, negative 4. This is number 13. Going to be 9 times 3, which is going to be 27. Okay, so then 27 times 1 over 9 and x plus 27 minus 27 times 1 over 3 x minus 3 equals 27 times x plus 5. So then we get 3 times x plus 27 minus 9 times x minus 3 equals distribution. So 27 times 5 is 5 and 3, 135. 27x plus 135. So then 27 times 3, it's going to be 6 plus 2, 81. So then I'm going to get 3x plus 81 minus 9x plus 27 equals 27x plus 135. Negative 6x plus 81 plus 27 is going to be 108, and then 27x plus 135. We're collecting like terms, so minus 108 from both sides. Then you're going to get negative 6x equals 27x minus, so I'm sorry, plus, so less of 8 is going to be 27. Then you're going to subtract 27x from both sides. So then this is going to be negative 30, negative 32. No, 30, what is that? 33, negative 33. X equals 27. Divide both sides by negative 33. So then x equals, for number 14, negative 9 over 11, because you're reducing the top and the bottom by 3. That's your answer. It's going to be 2 times 2 times 3. So it's going to give me 12. So 12 times 5x plus 3 over 2 plus 12 times 9 over 2 equals 12 times negative 7 over 3x, right, because that's all together. So then it becomes 6 times 5x plus 3 plus 54 equals 4 times negative 7x. 30x plus 18 plus 54 equals negative 28x. And then you have 3x or 30x plus 72 equals negative 28x. I'm going to subtract 30x from both sides. So now I have 72 equals negative 58x. And then this is number 17. Then you're going to divide both sides by negative 58. So your x is going to simplify. This is multiples of 2. Negative 36 over 29.